Small town USA, 1977. A rich heritage, steeped in family values and cherished customs, where you worked hard for what you wanted, and muscle cars and racing were a way of life. There's something about being in a small town that drives you to go further, to go all the way. This is the spirit of SUNEX Tools. We set our sights on making an impact on automotive tools, and man, did we succeed. Once we arrived, we didn't hit the brakes. We floored it into industrial products as well, where SUNEX durability and reputation have made an impressive mark. And we still haven't hit top speed. If there's a tool that's needed, SUNEX makes it happen. And we do it with knowledge, expertise, and innovation. And hey, we're not afraid to get our hands dirty either. We put our products through the ringer with rough in-house testing and tough real-world trials.